Horror fans, brace yourselves. Capcom just dropped a bombshell. Resident Evil Requiem is coming. Welcome to GadInsider, where we're diving into the spine-chilling reveal. Resident Evil Requiem promises heart-stopping survival horror that leaves you shaking. Want to know what's lurking in this new nightmare? Keep watching. Let's get right to it. Capcom just announced Resident Evil Requiem, the 9th main title in the iconic survival horror series, set to haunt your screens on February 27, 2026 for PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X and S. And this is huge for fans craving that classic Resident Evil terror. The announcement came with a wild trailer that starts off deceptively normal, an office setting that lulls you into a false sense of security. Then, bam! Blood-composed zombies, eerie childhood threats, and seriously creepy centipedes crawl in, setting the stage for a horror fest. Capcom's teasing a heart-stopping experience that'll leave chills down to your very core. Yeah, we're already spooked. Requiem is a direct follow-up to 2021's Resident Evil Village, which brought the series back to its survival horror roots alongside Resident Evil 7. If you love the tense, resource-scarce gameplay of this title, Capcom's doubling down on that vibe. They're promising a game where you'll be fighting to escape death at every turn. Capcom's been on fire lately, not just with new titles, but also with their stellar remakes, like the critically acclaimed Resident Evil 4 remake in 2023. With Requiem, they're blending that modern polish with the classic horror that made the series a legend. While details are still on the wraps, we're betting on tight corridors, limited ammo, and plenty of jump scares. Mark your calendars for February 27, 2026, because Resident Evil Requiem is set to deliver the scares on PC, PS5, and Xbox Series X and S. Will it live up to the hype? We're counting down the days. So, are you ready to face the horrors of Resident Evil Requiem? What's got you most excited? Zombies? Centipedes? Or something even scarier? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to know. If you're hyped for more gaming news and horror reveals, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to join the GadInsider crew. We're your go-to for the latest in games and tech. Don't miss out.